In this video, we are going to learn the protocols. Protocols means the set of rules and regulation required for the communication. There are some important protocols. First is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is a protocol which is required for the execution of the hypermedia. Hypermedia means it could be hyperlinks, hypertext, etc. So a website contains so many hyperlinks and hypertext. We collectively call them as hypermedia. So a website contains many hypermedia which is having link to some other document. When we click on them, then the link which is connected to that particular document gets automatically open. So the execution of that hypermedia is performed by HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. TCP/IP. TCP/IP is the main protocol which performs the communication over internet. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. IP, Internet Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol divides the message at the source computer into small parts. That parts we called as packets. And IP transport that packets from source computer to the destination. So collectively they perform the work of communication over the internet. At the receiver's end, again TCP combines all the packets in the serial order to retrieve the original message. So we can say that TCP/IP is the main protocol which help in communication over internet. TCP divides the packet and at the receiver sends it again reassembles the packets, and IP transport the packet from sender to the receiver. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol is responsible for uploading and downloading. Uploading refers to sending of the files from our own computer to the web server, and downloading refers to the sending of the file from web server to our own computer. So the uploading and downloading process is handled by this protocol FTP. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol or Internet Mail Access Protocol. This is a protocol which is required for accessing the email. Basically, IMAP is required to download the email from web server, or we can say from mail server to your own inbox. So whatever mail you are receiving through the internet, the downloading of the email from the internet server to your inbox is performed by IMAP. SMTP, Simple Message या Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This is the protocol which helps us to send the email. If we are sending email to a person, then the protocol which is required to handle this process is known as SMTP. The main difference between SMTP and IMAP is that IMAP is the protocol which lets you to download the email present on the mail server to your inbox, and SMTP is the protocol which help you to send the email from your desktop to the other destination. So let us revise. These are the protocols. Protocols means the set of rules and regulation. In simple words, we can say that protocols are the programming codes which we attach with the web pages and other internet services so that they can be performed in well form. So protocol are the rules and regulations which help us to perform the communication. Basic protocols are HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It helps us to execute the hypermedia. Hypermedia is the media present on the websites which take us to some other links. So hyperlinks are those links which are connected to some other documents. When we click them, they automatically gets open. So execution of the hyperlinks is handled by this HTTP, TCP/IP. TCP/IP is the main protocol which help in communication over internet. TCP divides the message into the packets at the source computer and again rearrange the packet to get the original message at the destination computer. And IP, Internet Protocol, is the protocol which transmit the packets from source computer to the destination computer. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. This protocol handles the process of uploading and downloading the data. Uploading means transferring the data from our own computer to the web server, and downloading refers to the transferring of data from web server to our own computer. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. This protocol helps us to download the emails present on the mail server to our own inbox. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It helps us to send the email from our computer to the mail server.